Hello everyone, I'm Sanjeev Srivastava, Head of Automation at Delta Electronics India. I'm excited to invite you to Elecrama 2025 and visit our stall in Hall 16. Witness the power of Delta's cutting-edge automation solutions. Discover our comprehensive range of industrial automation products, including high-performance motion control systems, robotic solutions, user-friendly SCADA and HMI systems, and many more exhibits. This year, we are also launching our new advanced collaborative robot, which is set to revolutionize the way we approach automation. Join us at Elecrama and explore how Delta can empower your operations and help you stay ahead in your industry. We look forward to seeing you from 22nd February.